Okay, hello from Excel Wizard. Today is Advent of Code 2015, day, what day? 17. No such thing as too much. Let's see the puzzle. Okay, no such thing as so L bar too much egg not again. So 150 liter this time. To fit it into your refrigerator, you need to move it into smaller container. You take inventory of capacity of variable container. For example here, so you have like 20, 15, 10, 5 and 5 liter. You need to store 25 liters, so you can store it like many way, and then the first file and second file treat differently. So this is like 4-way here. So we need to fit 150 liter of egg not, and then this is the input. Okay, get the input here. Just copy, Control C, Control V, paste it here, and this one should be number. Okay. So we have like this. So first I'm gonna sort this one. So easier to like this. Then when we select container, we just choose like yes or no. So this one like yes, no. And this is just like 2-bit base of 2. And we have, okay, count rows. How many rows of this? Chop 20. And we have 2 choice of 20 rows. So this is 1 million, and this is just fit or this row in Excel. So we can do this way. I'll use sequence of this one. Okay, I'll just start with 2 and power by 20 here. Got all this, and then I'm changing this one into base 2 number, so base 2, and then minimum length we need 20 again here. So this is 20. You see like this. So 0 and 1, and then we will change split all this number and then match with this container here to get all the combination. So I think I'll just better use N is, do I need this? Okay, I'll just start from C here. So this is C, and then N is rows of C, and this is 20. I can change this one to N and N here. Okay, stop here, and then I have to split each number out. So this is like mid of sequence of 20 but in column. So this is in N here, and this is 1. Take some time. Okay, this is split everything else. And okay, I'll just start with small number first. So okay, I'll just start with small here like this. And then if we want to how to do this, this is like metric multiplication. So we have like all this in number minus sign, minus sign of this, and then we can do metric number multiplication. So mod of this by I'm not sure how much, 4 column, and then this is like 3, 4, 4, 6, and then 6 here. So we got 6, and then 4 here, we got 4. So this is how we do this one. So here we use the same. So mod of minus of this, and then C. This is like all the total, and then I change this one to sharp. I got all the total, and how many combination that we fit all 150. So all we need here is to count. So count if all this with 150, and we got this 1638. Submit. Good. One gold star. Then while playing all the container in the kitchen, okay, find the minimum number of container that can exactly fit all 150. So this one we don't know how many, so we need another column to calculate how many. So the how many is we count 1. So this one become same here, but instead of this z is multiplied with all this number, I'll just change this number to 1. So power by 0, and we've got how many of this, and then we need to know the minimum number that can take to 150. So count minif this one by all this by 150, got 4. Then how many different way with that 4? Okay, so just count if again, count if. So this one have to be 4, and first one have to be 150, 17. So this is 17. Done here. But as like, so we have this one, we have 20. Let's say we have like 22 2 power by 22, and this is more than Excel can do in one row. So we're gonna try another way. So with the more columns, so like, so here instead of 1 column, I will do it in like 4 columns. So but maybe take less number. Okay, I just up to 10 here, and then now we have like 6. Okay, 2 power by 6 is 64. So just small number, just to like show how to do in many columns. So I just borrow this one first. Okay, but now we start from here, and then rows here. Okay, I just start from sequence of n by 2, and this we get in 1 column. So if we want like 2 columns, so I'll just divide this by, I think, 4 columns, and here we got like 4 columns here. So this way, if we have like 4 million, we can do 4 rows, 4 columns here, and then I think the rest is the same. Okay, just like base of 2, and length is n is 6. Got like this. And now with this way, we cannot do the mid on sequence on all the row together, so we have to do 1 by 1. So instead of that mid, so I have to do use map, and then this is lambda of a, and then sequence of length, which is 6, and here, and 1. Oh no, mid of a, and then sequence by 1 here. Okay, and this we got everything split up, and we do this in one cell. Okay, we just multiply by c here and use sum. I think we should get everything. Okay, just checking, use the same formula, and instead of this we got this sharp, no, this one sharp. Okay, we have 10 9. So this one is just like wrap row here. So wrap row of 4, got the same number. So, and here from this we can, instead of filter, we can do count if here. Okay, just count if, and just any target number you need, like maybe 23. We got 5 of 23, like this. Okay, and this is just finished, but I done this one in like another way, hard way, which not require all this. So just gonna try here. So the one that I like to do is I do all the combination that can add up exactly to 150. But here we have like, we have to check each one without duplicate. So I will need to add some ID to this number. So just like this. Okay, I'll just take this one sharp plus rows of, no, a sequence of rows of this one sharp, and that sequence I will add to a percentage here. So this is just like some fraction to make 4 different from 4 here. So 4.2, 4.3 here. And now I'll just use this one. Let C is 2 rows, no, 2 rows, 2 rows of this one. And I'm gonna start with reduce from to core of C here, and then 1 time first, so 1, and then lambda A and W here, and then I'm gonna check. So I'll check later. I will attach this one together. So A and plus and C. So this is like first round here. So just add each number up together. But we have to check for, like, we're not gonna switch position. So, and the sum has to be less than 150. So just put 150 here. So we need to check 2 things. So like 4 can add with 3, I think. But I'm gonna keep adding up. So 4 with 3, I will not get that one. So I like 4 and 5, 4.2 and 4.3, like that. So first condition, I have to like check sum. So I'm just gonna use map with A, and then lambda B text split on B with plus sign, and this is like sum of minus minus. Is it? This is lambda. Oh, needs variable. So let C. So this is C. Okay, this is C, which is the lambda and map, and I'm gonna plus with C here, and just before that, just checking. So return me C first. Not sure if okay, this is the plus, and this is first condition. And another condition is I don't want 3 plus 4. I want 4 plus 3. So another condition is D, and D is text after A. No, text before last delimiter. Okay, before that, just go back to A and plus. Not sure if I'm able to build this one. A and plus C. Okay, like this. And then I'm gonna use like text after to get the last number. So after like -1. Okay, here. And if I have just A, this become NA because I have to match N. Okay, this is last one. And change this to number. And then check if it's less. No, more than C. Okay, this is my second condition, which is D here. So, and then if C multiplied by D, then I need A and plus and C here. Okay. No, it should be less. Okay, I like this way better. So 3 part 4 and to call. No. This one C have to be less. The sum have to be less than 150. So, and I have some fraction, so this have to be 151. Okay, and then to call with ignore error with 3. Okay, so this is like all the number, and then this is just one time, so 2 times here, and we know that 4 times we can get the answer. So I'm gonna add some number here. So this is 4, and then if this 4, so this one we have the sum that less than 151, and I just want to extract the one with 150. So another if here, so if W is running number, so this if W is equal to 4, then this one also this J2. I think I'll just add another. So Y here, Y is this J2, and this is Y, and this is also Y. So if W equal to Y, then I need integer of the sum, which is C, equal to 150. Else we need less than, like checking. So this is if, and okay, so and all this is the number that sum up to 150, I think. So just checking. So sum minus take split on this with plus. Okay, so 150 with some fraction. Okay, and this is like 4 times. Just add some row here. No, shift cell down. Okay, and we need like just running number here, 5. And on top here, I'm gonna check how many rows of all this. 151. Is it correct? I'm not really sure. Let's check the answer again. No, this is just 14. Oh, this should be 3. Okay, now we got 17 here. So this one is like +1 here. Okay, then I need to lock C3 and just drag. Okay, and here we check the row, but this one is error, so how should I check this one? Okay, so if this one on the first add is text, then give me the rows. Okay, no, is it text? What? J4 if text false. Wait, add J should be text, right? No, I got value here. Is error. No, come this one get me error. Okay, I'll just do the other way. So the rest is we need to sum this one up. Okay, I'll just sum if this with this one that is text. Okay, so this is what I need. 1368. Oh, 1638 here. Okay, so this one is very hard way, but we get, I don't know. I think the first method is easier, a lot easier. This one is too hard. Okay, I think that's all. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.